Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Eric Fisher on a pretty damp, mild and muggy Monday, but that type of weather is going to leave very soon. The last of the showers moving across the region. Gets wet this evening. Have a very slow evening commute, and then the temps that are in the 60s will start to drop. We look across the northern tier of the U.S. A lot of more wintry air, at least late autumn air, that's going to start taking control. So tonight, clearing after the early evening showers, temps in the 30s in the suburbs, low 40s in Boston by tomorrow morning. So it'll be a chilly start to the day, cool and crisp. And some towns will not even hit 50 tomorrow. So expect more of that November feel, a high of just about 50 in Boston, 46 in Worcester, 47 in Jaffrey, Rockport up to around 49 degrees. And we'll watch a little system slide off to our south tomorrow night. Might brush us with a few raindrops, maybe even a wet snowflake mixed in there, non-accumulating, but just a slight chance for a little bit of precipitation tomorrow night. Wednesday, we're looking at partly sunny skies, chilly air still in place, and a slight bump up in temperatures on a dry Thursday before we really track this Arctic air that's been gathering around parts of Canada. It's going to be shifting down across the Great Lakes as we head through Thursday, and then it really pushes right on into New England as we head into Friday. And this is going to create a winter feel for Friday, Saturday, and even into Sunday. So here's your 7-day outlook. We're close to 50 for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday's high temperatures will be at midnight, technically. They'll be in the 40s still. But during the day, we'll fall through the 30s. It's going to be windy. It's going to feel like winter. And there could even be some snow showers or flurries on Friday morning as that front swings through. Saturday, many towns stay in the 30s after a morning in the low 20s. So a big change compared to what we've seen this whole fall.